So, why are more and more single men packing their bags and heading to Colombia in 2025? What's the draw? Is it the culture, the cost, the women, or something deeper? Whether you've thought about a quick visit or starting a whole new life abroad, this video breaks down why Colombia might just be your next move. We're not talking cliches, we're digging into real experiences, updated facts, and what life's really like for single men in this vibrant, seductive country. Let's start with the moment you land. The air feels warmer, not just in temperature, but in vibe. In cities like Medellín or Cartagena, you're greeted by colors, rhythm, and people who look you in the eye and smile. Unlike the transactional small talk you might be used to back home, people here are actually curious about you. As a single man, you'll feel noticed, and not in a superficial way. It's a place where conversations still happen face to face, and people are genuinely open. Medellín is the hub for many digital nomads and expats. It's modern but still deeply Colombian. You'll see high-rises alongside cobblestone alleys, stylish rooftop bars next to corner fruit stands. And then there's the weather. The city of eternal spring isn't just a nickname. It's the kind of climate that makes you want to walk everywhere, meet new people, and never feel rushed. Let's talk dollars. One of the biggest reasons men come here is financial freedom. In 2025, the exchange rate is still in favor of the US dollar, meaning your money goes significantly further. Rent for a modern one-bedroom apartment in Medellín's Poblado or Laureles district? About $500 a month, sometimes less. You can dine out, enjoy rooftop cocktails, and get high-speed internet for a fraction of what you'd pay in most Western cities. But it's not just about saving money, it's about the lifestyle you can access. Weekly cleaning service? Affordable. Uber rides across the city? Usually under $5. Want to take a weekend trip to the Caribbean coast? Totally doable. It's not about luxury, it's about freedom. You don't need to be rich to live well here, and that's a powerful shift for many men who feel squeezed by the cost of living in their home country. Okay, let's address one of the biggest reasons many single men are drawn to Colombia: the women. But this isn't a fantasy reel, it's about cultural reality. Colombian women are known for their femininity, warmth, and how they express interest directly. Dating isn't an app-only experience. In fact, many relationships here start in real life, imagine that. There's a greater emphasis on connection, on presence. Women here often value family, loyalty, and attention, not just flashy status symbols. They take pride in their appearance and expect the same kind of self-respect and effort in return. And here's what surprises many men: it's not just about looks. Personality matters. Sincerity matters. If you're respectful, fun, and curious, you'll do well. Let me tell you a story. A friend of mine, Greg, was divorced and burned out on dating apps in the US. He visited Medellín on a whim. Within 2 weeks, he met a woman named Natalia through mutual friends. They went salsa dancing, explored local markets, and had conversations that felt like something out of a movie, only it was real. Fast forward 6 months, Greg's not just dating, he's thriving. Now, let's say you're not just coming for a vacation. You're thinking long-term. What's life like socially? One word: rich. Colombia has an expanding expat network, especially in Medellín, Bogotá, and coastal cities like Santa Marta. There are co-working spaces, English-speaking events, bar meetups, language exchanges, and not just with other foreigners. You'll be surprised how open locals are to making friends. There's a real blend of experiences. You might meet a Canadian crypto investor, an American teacher, and a Colombian videographer all in the same night, and that's just at one bar. If you're into salsa or reggaeton, the nightlife scene is legendary. But even if you prefer quiet cafes or hiking, you'll find your tribe. The key? Show up with curiosity, not ego. Be respectful, humble, and willing to learn the culture, not just take from it. So what does a regular day look like? You might start your morning with a fresh squeezed juice and arepa from a street vendor for about $1. Then head to a local cafe with strong Colombian coffee and fast Wi-Fi. Lunch? A bandeja paisa or grilled chicken with rice, salad, and fresh soup, all for under $5. Afternoons are great for gym time. Many gyms have modern equipment and personal trainers available. Or maybe you stroll to a park, watch a football game, or chat with locals. Evenings? That could be a rooftop meetup, a Spanish class, or a simple walk through the illuminated streets with live music playing nearby. It's simple, but rich. The pressure and rush of big city life fade. You have space to think, to grow, and most importantly, to feel alive again. Let's talk about language. While many Colombians in urban areas speak some English, especially in tourist-friendly zones, embracing Spanish will significantly enhance your experience. Learning basic phrases can open doors to deeper connections and show respect for the local culture. Imagine ordering your morning coffee in Spanish or engaging in small talk with your neighbors. These simple interactions can lead to meaningful relationships and a more immersive experience. Plus, locals appreciate the effort, often responding with warmth and encouragement. Safety is a common concern, and rightly so. Colombia has made significant strides in improving security, but like any country, it's essential to stay vigilant. Stick to well-known neighborhoods, especially in cities like Medellín and Bogotá. Areas such as El Poblado and Laureles in Medellín are popular among expats for their safety and amenities. Be cautious with your belongings, avoid displaying wealth, and be aware of your surroundings, especially at night. Using reliable transportation options and staying informed about local news can also help ensure a safe and enjoyable stay. It's easy to make cultural missteps when adjusting to a new environment. One common mistake is assuming that what's acceptable in your home country applies here. For instance, punctuality is valued differently. Being a bit late is often acceptable in social settings. Another pitfall is over-relying on expat communities and not engaging with locals. While it's comforting to connect with fellow expats, immersing yourself in the local culture can lead to a more enriching experience. Show respect, be open-minded, and take the time to understand social norms and customs. Colombia offers a plethora of weekend getaway options. From the coffee region's lush landscapes to the Caribbean's pristine beaches, there's something for every traveler. Consider visiting towns like Salento for its colorful architecture and coffee tours, or exploring the Rosario Islands for a beach retreat. For a unique experience, venture to lesser-known destinations like Mompox, a colonial town rich in history, or San Agustin, known for its archaeological sites. These spots offer a glimpse into Colombia's diverse culture and natural beauty, providing memorable adventures off the beaten path. Thinking about making Colombia your long-term home? The country offers various visa options for retirees, investors, and remote workers. The digital nomad visa, for instance, allows remote workers to live in Colombia while working for foreign companies. Investing in local businesses or real estate is another avenue, but it's crucial to conduct thorough research and consult with legal experts. Understanding the legal landscape, tax implications, and market trends will help you make informed decisions and ensure a smooth transition to your new life in Colombia. Many men have found fulfillment and happiness in Colombia. Take, for example, a retiree who moved from the US to Medellín and now enjoys a comfortable lifestyle with a personal chef and housekeeper, all within a reasonable budget. Another story involves a digital nomad who relocated to Bogotá, finding a balance between work and leisure while embracing the local culture. These narratives highlight the diverse opportunities and experiences awaiting single men in Colombia. Colombia in 2025 presents a compelling destination for single men seeking adventure, connection, and a fresh start. With its vibrant culture, affordable cost of living, and welcoming communities, it's no wonder many are choosing to call it home. If this glimpse into life in Colombia sparked your interest, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new adventure. Drop a comment below if Colombia is on your radar, or tell me where you're headed next. I've got more insider travel guides, real talk for single men, and lifestyle tips coming your way every week. See you in the next one.